Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, storing contacts in your Google account ensures they are securely backed in the cloud. This protects them from loss due to device damage, loss, or malfunction. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open the dialing application on your device. And after launching the app, proceed by tapping the phone number you wish to save to your Google account. Okay, once entered, locate and click on the Create New Contact option. Okay, and to save the phone number to your Google account, you can click on the downward arrow icon. And from here, select your Google account. Okay, after selecting your Google account, proceed to enter additional contact information such as the contact's name, email address, and any other relevant details. Once you have entered all necessary information, click on the Save button to save the contacts to your Google account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.